This is Kobe beef, the most expensive cut of beef in the world. A single steak can cost hundreds of dollars. And this is an ordinary, humble top round steak. You might find it at a local dollar store for just a single dollar. But what is it about Kobe beef that makes it more valuable than, say, a top round steak from your average American cow? Can you taste the difference? And which steak would you buy? Today, we're going to contrast and compare these two steaks to see if Kobe beef gives you the most bang for your buck or if top round is the way to go. The taste of these two steaks couldn't be more different. The flavor of the top round steak is very beefy, the taste most people who've eaten steak would be familiar with. Kobe beef, on the other hand, has a richer flavor due to its fat content. Kobe beef is so marbled with fat that it's almost white. But here are other reasons why these steaks are wildly different. Kobe beef is remarkably rare. Only 3,000 Kobe cattle are taken to market each year due to the certification process. The cattle have to be high enough quality to be raised for Kobe. Pure-blood Tajima-Gyu cattle are the only cattle breed considered capable of producing Kobe beef. The Hyogo government keeps the 12 best bulls in a special facility, and they inseminate the Tajima cows. After they're slaughtered, only half of the Tajima cattle qualify as Kobe beef. And with this small supply, the cost for a 280-gram Kobe ribeye steak reaches $349. Okay, that sounds impressive. But is Kobe beef really all that different from your average top round steak? Let's take a look. Top round is an extremely lean and tough cut of beef that comes from a cow's rear legs. It requires marinating and slow cooking for the meat to be tender, or you can cook it at a high heat if it's a thicker cut. Unlike Kobe, ordinary top round meat can easily become tough and chewy if not handled correctly. The differences between these two steaks are so significant, they're almost two completely separate meals. So much so that most people have never even had Kobe beef. True Kobe beef can only be bought through vendors authorized by the Kobe Beef Marketing and Distribution Association. The association keeps a list of vendors and provides a 10-digit ID code of the cut of beef, which you can use to verify the authenticity of the cut as Kobe beef. This ensures you're buying genuine Kobe beef from Japan, not Kobe-style beef from the US or Australia. So if you've ever had a $40 Kobe burger in a US restaurant, it was definitely not true Kobe beef. Top round steak, on the other hand, is as elusive as a drive to the grocery store or that side of your freezer you haven't checked on in a while. So, to summarize, both steaks come from cows, but a Kobe ribeye steak and a top round steak from ordinary beef cattle couldn't be more different. So, is it worth it? Well, that will depend on your tastes. But in terms of its rarity and the preparation involved, it certainly justifies its cost. Though at $349 for a 10-ounce ribeye steak, you may want to stick to your local steakhouse. Do you think Kobe beef is worth the price? Or would you prefer to save your money and go for some ordinary top round beef? Let us know what you think in the comments below. You know where they are.